Before we begin, I want you guys to take a moment and look around. Soak in this beauty that surrounds us. Remember all the faces that you see here today. This is one of the biggest moments in your lives, and this beautiful day will be gone and done before you know it. So soak it in, literally. It's actually raining.
I, Jacob, take you, Jenna, to be my beautiful wife.
I, Jenna, take you, Jacob, to be my handsome husband.
When it's over, so they say.
I promise to climb every mountain with you.
I promise to seek new adventure.
And to find comfort in the home we have built together.
I promise to encourage your dream.
Oh,
and support your passion.
I promise to always laugh with you.
Have you ever seen the rain?
And hold you when you cry.
'Cause I wanna know.
I promise to love you forever. And be your partner through all that life holds.